In this video we're taking an honest look at Shown.io to help you decide whether this AI-powered ad platform is actually worth using. Shown.io promises simplified ad creation on Google and Meta, and many users like its clean interface, fast setup, and the ability to launch campaigns without deep marketing knowledge. However, a closer look at online feedback shows a mixed picture. Several users report issues with ads not running even after topping up their accounts, slow or unresponsive customer support, and unexpected charges after trial periods or canceled plans. Others mention difficulty obtaining clear invoices or proper billing documentation, which can be a concern for businesses that need accurate financial records. While some people do see decent results with small campaigns, the number of complaints about performance inconsistency and refund experiences makes this platform feel more like a risk than a reliable long-term tool. If you try it, do so with caution and only with funds you're fully comfortable testing. Stay tuned and hit subscribe for more honest tech reviews.